In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to dark mode in Notion. If you're ready to give your Notion workspace a sleek, modern look while also making those late-night work sessions a bit easier on the eyes, you're in the right place. Switching to dark mode in Notion is a simple process, but it's helpful to follow the steps to ensure you get the desired effect without any hiccups. So, let's dive in and make that transition seamless for you. First, open up Notion on the device you're using. Whether you are on your desktop or mobile, the process will be slightly similar but tailored for each platform. If you're working from a computer, you'll want to start by locating the Settings and Members option. You can find this by clicking on the sidebar, which is usually found on the left side of your Notion screen. In some cases, you might see a gear icon at the bottom that's your direct pathway to settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Appearance section. In that section, you will find an option labeled Dark Mode. All you need to do is click the toggle switch to activate it. Your interface will instantly shift from the bright, white background to a sophisticated, dark theme, which is much easier on the eyes during nighttime or low-light work environments. If you're using Notion from a mobile device like an iPhone or Android, the process is quite similar, although the interface slightly differs. Open the Notion app, then look for the three horizontal lines, commonly known as the hamburger menu, usually situated in the top left corner. Tap it to reveal your menu options. From here, you need to find the settings, which may be under your account or represented by a little gear icon. Tap on Appearance, and, just like on a desktop, you'll see the option to activate dark mode. Tap the toggle switch on, and voila, you've activated dark mode on your mobile device. A handy tip for those who frequently switch between light and dark modes is to set your preferences based on the time of day or sync it with your device's appearance settings if that's available. This way, your Notion theme will adjust automatically, enhancing both productivity and eye comfort. I hope this walkthrough helped you transition to dark mode in Notion, making your workspace both more stylish and ergonomic. Remember, a visually comfortable environment can not only boost your productivity but also helps reduce eye strain during those long hours of using Notion. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips on making the most of your digital workspace.